fundamental shift in traditional Bitcoin market cycle may be on the horizon. Adoption Bitcoin market Bitcoin's bull market cycle is accelerating. It's running days ahead of its typical 4-year cycle. This raises the possibility of a super cycle fueled by institutional adoption, ETFs, and changing market dynamics. Last updated October 3rd, 2024 at 14:04 GMT3. Journalist. Seed Fadilpašić journalist. Seed Fadilpašić about author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry where he has served. Author profile. Share copied. Last updated October 3rd, 2024 at 14:04 GMT3. Why trust Cryptonews with over a decade of crypto coverage? Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. There may be a shift coming in the traditional Bitcoin market cycles as current trends outpace historical patterns, according to the latest CoinMarketCap's quarterly report. The Q3 report found that the bull market progress is at 40.66%. Typically, it says, based on historical patterns, bull markets peak 518 to 546 days after a halving event. The most recent Bitcoin halving occurred on April 19, 2024. However, the report found that Bitcoin is ahead of the typical market peak by about 100 days. This means that a peak may be occurring significantly earlier than expected between mid-May and mid-June 2025. There are, however, some indications of the evolving broader market dynamics. Primarily, the infrastructure growth is slowing down. The report noted that this may be an anomaly or the beginning of a longer-term change in market behavior. It remains to be seen if BTC will continue to follow historical patterns or we are witnessing a fundamental shift in the crypto cycle, it said. Furthermore, a number of signs are pointing to a potential break in Bitcoin's traditional 4-year cycle. Specifically, it may be entering a so-called super cycle driven by institutional adoption, ETFs, and changing market dynamics. According to the Bitcoin supercycle theory, BTC's price will continue to surge indefinitely against the traditional 4-year market cycles that have characterized its price history. The correlation with traditional assets is another indicator. BTC price movements are progressively correlated with gold and tech stocks, meaning the asset is getting integrated deeper into general financial markets. This correlation indicates that Bitcoin is being treated more like a traditional financial asset, potentially breaking its isolated 4-year cycle, the press release said. Additionally, the profile of BTC investors has shifted dramatically. There is a notable and growing institutional adoption. You might also like Bitcoin's path to a super cycle. Will 2024 mark the end of dramatic downturns? Third quarter saw bears, but Q4 could see bulls. The report further looked into the coin's performance in the third quarter of this year. It described it as mixed. Negative returns of 8.6% in August were sandwiched between modest gains in July, 2.95%, and September, 11.39%. Also, the Q3 market sentiment was consistently bearish, yet the bearish trend was expected in this period as suggested by historical data. But the same data shows that the fourth quarter could see a turnaround. Over the past decade, October has averaged 22.9%, said the report. November and December have also recorded positive returns with 46.81% and 5.45% averages, respectively. Additionally, the year's earlier quarters have already recorded strong performances. February and March saw 43.55% and 16.81% gains, respectively. The report stressed that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. However, it said the combination of historical Q4 strength and 2024 feats overall bullish trend suggests Bitcoin may be poised for a robust finish to the year despite third quarter's bearish indicators. Meanwhile, 19 out of 52 sectors saw positive growth in market capitalization over the third quarter. The most prominent sectors for growth were the Tron ecosystem, media, and stablecoins have been the most. The AI sector also experienced a notable recovery in this period. There seems to be a shift from DeFi and infrastructure projects towards more speculative and consumer-focused sectors like AI, media, and memes in the past quarter, the report concluded. You might also like Anthony Pompliano, Bitcoin ready for gains as interest rates fall and liquidity grows. Follow us on Google News.